Namaskar, hello friends. I am Dr. Maulik Shah, MD Pediatrics from Malad, Mumbai, Vatsalya Super Specialty Child's Clinic. During this time of lockdown, all of us getting locked at home, but there is one big problem which has locked every one of us, that is screen. क्या करेंगे घर पे बैठ के? टीवी ऑन, टीवी साइड में, रिमोट साइड में तो मोबाइल ऑन, मोबाइल ऑफ, लैपटॉप ऑन, लैपटॉप ऑफ, आईपैड. So every one of us are getting hooked to the screen. Nothing other than this, even children, they are having online classes now. On top of it, if the lockdown is not going to open soon, the schools are going to conduct online sessions, which anyways is going on right now. So everything is getting hooked to the screen, and the one of our body organ which is suffering the lot is our eyes. So how to protect our eyes? So I am going to talk today about the 3 different methods which are supposed to be followed each and every time, okay, and daily. All 3 methods are supposed to be followed. One is most common and most of us knows about it. That is 20-20-20 rule. What 20-20-20 rule says, most of the ophthalmologists must have spoken with their parents also. After every 20 minutes of screen time, for 20 seconds, watch at the distance of 20 feet. So 20 feet कितना हो जाता है? Like we usually have the height of around 5, 5.2, 5.4, 5 to 6 feet के आसपास. Just imagine any distance which is 4 times our height will become so easy. Of late, one problem is many of the buildings of late are quite closer. So it is sometimes quite difficult for few of you कि 20 feet apart देखने को भी मुश्किल है, because buildings are quite closed. So अपना खिड़की में दूर का चीज़ दिखता नहीं है ज़्यादा. No problem, you can consider this from the one room to other room, the passage itself many of the times is of 20 feet. So room के अंदर भी आप देख सकते हो 20 feet apart. And of course almost 70 to 80% must be having one window which is facing outside, which is having quite a good distance. So 20 feet apart for 20 seconds every 20 minutes of screen time. This is most common rule which most of the people know. Second rule which I follow, additional to this 20-20-20, is after every 5 minutes of screen time, for 5 seconds at least, maybe you can take beyond it, blink for 5 times. Just I would like to demonstrate. That's it. So 5 minutes of screen time, 5 blinks over a duration of 5 seconds at least. This is another rule which will keep your eyes lubricated. And third rule which we follow for the eyes is, you can consider washing the eyes quite frequently during daytime, maybe at least 5 to 7 times. Just sprinkle a good quantity of water, maybe lukewarm water or plain water, tap water. Sprinkle it well and clean it. These 3 things for the eyes. One recommendation which is sometimes possible, sometimes not, is to keep the screen at almost 20 degrees below the eye plane. So that might help us. Okay, I think this much is enough. If you take these 3 precautions, at least the eyes are safe. Of course, this is not an excuse to increase your screen time. Keep it as minimal as possible, but take this due precautions. Thank you. Namaskar.